How to start your meditation journey, devotional meditation for inner peace. Hello and welcome. If you've been thinking about starting meditation but want to add a deeper spiritual connection, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore devotional meditation, a beautiful way to calm the mind while connecting with something greater than yourself. Whether you follow a specific religion or simply want to offer gratitude to the universe, devotional meditation can bring you peace, joy, and spiritual growth. So, what exactly is devotional meditation? It's a practice that blends traditional meditation with feelings of devotion to a higher power. This higher power can be God, a person or deity, or simply the universe's energy. Unlike regular mindfulness meditation, which focuses only on the present moment, devotional meditation taps into the heart. It's about surrendering to divine love and focusing on the sacred with all your heart. You'll feel a stronger spiritual connection as you meditate in this way. Getting started with devotional meditation is easy. First, set an intention. Think about what you want to achieve: peace, gratitude, or connecting with the divine. Next, create a sacred space. Find a quiet, comfortable spot in your home. You might want to light a candle, burn incense, or place a picture of a deity, if that helps you feel connected. Before you start, say a short prayer or mantra. It could be something as simple as "thank you for this moment" or a traditional prayer from your faith. This helps to center your mind and invite divine energy into your practice. Now let's talk about some simple devotional meditation techniques. One way is through mantra meditation. Choose a sacred word or phrase that resonates with your devotion. This could be Om, Amen, or Shalom. As you sit quietly, repeat this word with deep reverence. Let its meaning fill your heart. Another method is chanting hymns or songs. In Hinduism, for example, people chant Om Namah Shivaya to connect with Lord Shiva. In Christianity, singing hymns like Amazing Grace is a form of meditation and worship. These chants help you focus on the divine. Lastly, try a gratitude practice. As you sit, think about everything you're thankful for. Send these feelings of gratitude to the higher power, and feel the divine energy surround you. That's it for today's introduction to devotional meditation. I encourage you to try one of these techniques in your daily routine and see how it deepens your meditation practice. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and may your journey toward inner peace be blessed.